Because when one designer grows, the whole team gets better, and that's something our clients can feel. At Inspire ID, we don't just hire designers, we mentor them. Every new designer here works closely with our senior mentors and project managers. That way, they don't just learn the theory, they learn how real projects comes together. From design concept to site execution, we guide them through every single step. It's hands-on, it's team-based, it builds confidence. We also run weekly sharing sessions where designers present ideas, solve problems together, keep each other sharp. Because when one designer grows, the whole team gets better, and that's something our clients can feel. We believe great design starts with a great team culture. Love design? Want to grow in a supporting team? Follow us, we are always building together.
Want to master your renovation? Ask me lah!
Inspired ID Group, live better with Inspire.